It's Isabella
and Taylor,
and today we're going to be showing you how to make slime. And it's really, really fun to play with.
Really squishy too. Okay, let's go on with this video. So what you're gonna need is a bowl to mix with.
Yeah, it might get a little dirty though, so make sure you don't, like, it's not like something really nice. And then you can either use clear glue, which makes this kind, or you can use your regular glue,
Like
which
that.
makes this kind.
And then you need 1.5 cups of water.
You need some borax. You need 2 tablespoons of borax.
And then you need your choice of food color.
You don't need it, but it's prettier.
It's prettier with it like that. Let's get started.
You add, wait, put it right here.
You add your first cup of water, and then you add another 1/2 cup. Then you take your glue. Next you take borax.
Yes, you need borax, and you can use 2 tablespoons, but we don't care about measuring, so.
Then next we add in the food color. We're going to be doing green.
Yes, and the more drops you add, the darker it will be, so I'm just going to add like 3.
So but you can also adjust your inks to whatever color you want. It's a lot more, it's really like, I don't know, cookie drops. We're going to add a couple more. That's good. It's really pretty. And once it starts like turning into slime, you'll be able to tell. Okay, I might need to add a little bit more borax. Yeah, well, I didn't really use like the measurements. But if you use the measurements, then you're all good. Yeah, we're not really worried about that.
And by the way, you might have borax just laying around your house too.
Yeah, it's like a common ingredient, but if you don't, you're
That's
probably
okay.
thinking, like, I didn't know how to make slime forever because I'm like, borax is so hard to find. But I actually got it at my local Publix for $5, so.
So it was cheap.
Yeah, it's not that bad, so. If you're ever in Publix, just get some, cause.
And then it starts turning into like really slimy.
Yeah, and to start thinking your hands, you might soak in the water for a little bit longer. Yeah, but as you can see, it's turning really cool looking. And you can also make it with a cleaner. You just do this, just put it in the whatever. Who cares? It's not like we're perfectly clean. And the more you touch like you need with your hands, the less sticky it'll get. Trust me, I've made a lot of slime. So you see this little whole grain spot? I like to tear it off and put it where the white spot is, so it gets a lot of grain. And then if it's still not pretty enough for you, you can always add more food coloring. Or some of the waffles. And you just pretty much keep touching it. And once you feel it like turning pretty slimy, so now you have
Slime!
Slime. Oh, slime.
This is the one we just made. Please like and subscribe. Fierce out!
Yep, ice cream.